Today, we're exploring cache and junk files in Windows 11, what they are, where they come from, and why they matter for your PC's performance. Cache files are temporary data stored by your system and applications to quickly access frequently used information. Think of them as shortcuts that help your computer work faster. Junk files are unnecessary files that accumulate over time, like old temporary files, outdated Windows Update files, and items sitting in your recycle bin that you've forgotten about. Here's what makes this important. These files can consume 15 to 30% of your total storage space, and clearing them can improve your boot times by 20 to 35%. Regular cleanup can free up anywhere from 5 to 50 gigabytes of storage, depending on how you use your computer. Let's look at the main types of files we're dealing with. First, we have system cache files. These include Windows Update cache stored in the Software Distribution folder, System File Cache, and DNS Resolver cache that helps with internet connections. Next are application cache files. These come from your web browsers like Edge and Chrome, the Microsoft Store, Windows apps like Photos and Mail, and third-party programs you've installed. Finally, there are user-generated junk files. These include temporary files in your temp folders, items in your recycle bin, duplicate files in your downloads folder, and thumbnail cache from image previews. Understanding these different types of files is the first step to keeping your Windows 11 system running smoothly. In the next section, we'll explore the best methods to safely clear these files and optimize your PC's performance. Now that we understand what cache and junk files are, let's explore the best methods for clearing them. Windows 11 provides several built-in tools that make this process straightforward and effective. The first and most important tool is Storage Sense. This intelligent feature automatically cleans up temporary files and can be scheduled for regular maintenance. It's like having a digital housekeeper that works in the background. Disk Cleanup is the traditional utility that's been helping Windows users for years. You can access it by typing clean mgr in the Start menu. It shows you exactly what types of files can be removed and how much space you'll recover. For a more modern approach, you can use the Settings interface. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage. This gives you a visual breakdown of what's using your storage space and provides easy cleanup options. Now let's talk about cleaning schedules. Different types of maintenance should be done at different intervals for optimal performance without overdoing it. For power users, PowerShell provides advanced cleanup capabilities. You can create automated scripts that perform comprehensive cleaning tasks. Here's what a successful PowerShell cleanup looks like. Here's a crucial statistic to remember. Systems with over 90% full storage can experience 40% slower file access times. Regular cleanup isn't just about free space, it's about maintaining optimal performance. To wrap up this section, remember these key takeaways. Enable Storage Sense for automatic maintenance, use Disk Cleanup for targeted cleaning, follow a regular schedule, and keep at least 15% of your storage free for optimal performance.